Hi guys, this is 2004 Toyota Prado 120 series. So I'm going to do today going to replace for the instrument cluster. So off this cover, trim, you can see the 10mm bolt in here. So after that you can see the 4 screws in here, the 10mm. So okay, we off all the screws, and we have another 2 in here screws. You have to turn it. Okay, we off the back cover. You can see the okay, we're going to install the cluster. To make sure the connector is back, so you can see the underneath the 2 connectors connecting properly. For this side, okay. Okay guys, we tied all the 4 10mm bolts. I have to put the cover back in, the cluster cover. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.